Manufacture of pulp. Cellulose is a very important organic substance which is available in nature. It is a versatile organic raw material which is known to mankind. Paper and pulp industries make extensive use of cellulose in the manufacture of paper and other paper related products. The principal source of cellulose for making paper is wood. Earlier, paper was manufactured exclusively from linen rags. Presently, it is manufactured chiefly from fibrous materials like wood pulp, esparto grass, bhabbar grass, corn stalks, cordage, and rough wastes of textile industries. Another material used for manufacture of paper is under experimental conditions and is also under consideration, which is known as bagasse. The first step of paper manufacture is the manufacture of pulp. This pulp is prepared from raw wood and other materials which get converted into pulp. Pulp from fibrous raw material is manufactured either by mechanical process or by chemical process. About 80 to 85% of pulp is manufactured by chemical process and only 8 to 10% of pulping is carried out by mechanical process. Mechanical process In the mechanical process, the wood pulp is obtained from pine and other softwoods such as spruce and balsam. The wood is first slashed and debarked. The debarking is usually carried out in two methods. In the first method, continuous rotating cylindrical drums or stationary machines are used. These stationary machines are fitted with agitating cam. In the case of drums, the wood is introduced into the upper end of a rotating drum, which is immersed in a tank partly filled with water. The bark is rubbed off and the clean wood is discharged at the other end. The debarking can also be carried out by mechanical friction. It can also be done by applying high pressure water jets to individual logs by means of hydraulic barkers. Water jets are directed against the log by means of hydraulic barkers in such a manner that the bark is broken up and removed. The debarked wood is then subjected to mechanical grinding in presence of water in grinders. This is done to remove the heat of friction and to float the extremely small pieces of fibers away. The pulp and water mixture thus obtained contains all the lignocellulose of the original wood. The mixture from the grinders is withdrawn into a stalk sieve below the grinders and is then conveyed to a silver screen. The fine particles of the material are collected in the screened stalk pit. From the stalk pit, these are pumped to the fine screen. The finest particles thus are screened by these screens and are then concentrated in thickeners to get commercial mechanical pulp. The larger particles retained by silver screen and the fine screen are treated in refiners. They are then returned to the screens again to recover more mechanical pulp. The white water overflowing from the thickeners contains about 15 to 20% of the original fibers. This is used in grinding and to aid flow in the stalk sieve. The remaining fibers are strained from the white water before it is allowed to run to waste. The fibers so strained are conveyed to the thickeners for concentration to mechanical pulp. As mechanical pulp cannot be completely bleached, it is employed in the manufacture of cheaper grades of paper, such as those required for newspaper and wrapping. Its color can, however, be considerably lightened by use of bleaching agents such as sodium or calcium bisulfite, hydrogen peroxide, or sodium peroxide. Most of the high quality paper is obtained from the chemical process. The paper obtained from chemical process is of high grade paper, and various types of pulps are obtained from chemical process. Mainly sulfate pulp, soda pulp, sulfite pulp, etc.